The greatest merit of the College of Europe in Natolin is the diversified offer and very comprehensive that we have for our students. So through different components like the academic program, the capacity building program, we equip our students with the necessary tools to embark in an efficient and smooth career after they graduate from the college. The program we have been implementing in the last 3 days is about the Agenda 2030 for Sustainable Development Goals. The students had a wonderful opportunity to interact, listen to the experience of several UN senior officials and many important governmental representatives. They exchanged with them, and then they had some package of soft skills where they learned many skills related to diplomacy, communication and PR, and today they are putting in practice all what they have learned in a UN General Assembly simulation game, and I believe they are enjoying it so much.
I think that the best way to reach a common agreement is try to understand different perspectives from different countries and try, of course, to understand historical and cultural beliefs that inhabit those people.
Sustainable Development Goals are at the top of the United Nations and national agenda since 2015, and since that moment they have always been a priority to tackle some very important issues such as hunger and poverty and gender equality. Therefore, the College of Europe in Natolin is giving a lot of importance to this, especially following the pandemic, because we are aware that these are very rooted issues that we actually need to solve. Therefore, thanks to this opportunity, we have the chance to learn more about these very current and rooted issues and maybe to find a way to solve them after the college.